Hello, you are welcome. I have this problem here. To solve this problem, if your hand is not strong in mathematics, you cannot get it. But let's see how we're going to do it. Solve x to the power of 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 x to the power, and so on. When you have all of this left hand side to be equals what? To be equals to 2. Definitely as it goes, so they are going to be what? It's going to be 2. So what are we going to do? It's very simple. Now, since we have x to the power of x to the power of x and x to the power of x, it goes, right? And we said the result give us 2, which means that if you take it from here like this, from here up like this, it's still going to be what? It's still going to be 2. So therefore, what are you going to do? We're going to have x to the power of 2 equals 2. Are you getting it now? So if x to the power of 2 equals 2, so we can see that taking the square root of the square root of both sides, okay? So we're going to have the square root of 2 plus or minus. So this, we cancel this, we have x to be the square root of what? Of 2. Now here, according to what we have, this is exponential function, right? So it cannot be what? It cannot be negative. So therefore, we're going to have what? We're going to have x to be only root what? Root 2. And that's the what? And that's the solution. So thank you so much, guys. See, so simple as ABC. So now thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this class, please share it so your friends, your family can benefit from it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching.